Welcome back to the Indian wedding part 2. This is the day 2 of the Indian wedding, and the group of cooks are preparing some khasta kachori, which they've stuffed with gram flour spicy mixture. They're rolling it out and then deep frying it. क्या है इसके अंदर ये क्या है ये इसमें दाल अच्छा दाल की कौन सी दाल की ये बेसन की बेसन अच्छा ये बेसन नहीं बनाई तुमने वैसे होती तो उड़द की दाल की हम तो उसकी बनाते हैं अब उड़द की दाल भीगी हुई नहीं थी तो रात पका के नहीं जा रही थी अरे वो मिक्सी नहीं काम कर रही है पीस के खा मिक्सी पे खा रही है And then the breakfast was served with a bowl of piping hot jalebis, the kachoris, and this is some thokla served in a chutney, and also some poha. And the sun was shining perfectly at the right time. These kachoris were next level delicious, served with delicious aloo sabji potato curry. The house was being decorated for the mehendi ceremony or henna, and they were changing everything from yellow from the haldi ceremony to green for the mehendi ceremony, and it looked so fantastic and colorful.
रवि ऊपर से एक गद्दा उठाता ला हल्का वाला हाँ एक लिया और चादर भी और दरवाजा खटखटा के पूरी मौसम के ना बुला रहे हैं रवि इधर दरवाजा नॉक कर दे और मौसम के ना आ जाएंगे अरे यार वो पूजा वाला कमरा ठीक करा दो पंडित जी आ गए जैसे कल बिछा हुआ था एक गद्दा बिछवा दो पंडित जी करवा रहे हैं कुछ चिंता मत करवा रहे हैं
Mehendi is such a delicate process. The amount of skill required for this. I used to do this when I was little actually, but I haven't done it for absolutely ages. Sia's getting hers done and I'm getting mine done too. And we both are super excited because we haven't had henna done for years. It takes a bit of time to make the mehendi designs, and you have to let the mehendi dry out. It takes a few hours, and then once you take the paste off, you get beautiful color on your hands. The house is full of family, and all the aunts are getting their henna done. Everyone is super excited. We're seeing each other after a long time, so it's so nice to spend all this time with the family. The one thing that has been constant is this free-flowing masala chai. The hob has not stopped, and this masala chai is being served constantly in the house to all the family. And I've also got some of the family members playing the dholak and singing the songs, and everyone's joining in.
पनीर मक्खनी टाइप बनेगा क्या बनेगा पनीर पकौड़ा शाही पनीर
And the group of cooks outside are preparing some snacks for the evening, paneer pakora and fried chickpeas and a few other bits. And inside the music is on constantly. Everyone is dancing non-stop and having a great time. And here are all the snacks they've prepared. They've got spicy peanuts, some dal pakoras, some chickpeas, potatoes, and paneer pakoras. Outside, they're preparing for dinner. They've started a tandoor, which is flaming hot right now, and he's getting all the dough ready for tandoori roti. They're preparing all the bits. Here they're frying some papad, or some of you know this as poppadoms, and the tandoor is finally getting ready. They are melting some ghee, which they will put on the rotis once they're ready. Tandoori roti. So the rotis are in full swing. Some of the family has started eating the dinner, but some of the family is still going strong and continuing to dance on the dance floor. And I might have joined in for a bit of dancing myself.
खाना ठीक है।
तुमने देखा कैसे लगाना?
तेजी में लगाना, ये लपट लगाएगी ना हाथ में।
ओके आधी लगी
लगी?
थैंक यू, मुझे एक बार ट्राई करना था।
And that's the end of day 2 of the Indian wedding and the Mehndi ceremony. Hope you've enjoyed.